Fossil fuels have long been the primary energy source for human activity. But their extraction often leaves behind subsidence areas and tailings waste, causing severe ecological damage. With the continuous expansion of PV plus application scenarios, building photovoltaic power stations on abandoned tailings not only helps restore the local ecosystem, but also takes advantage of open terrain and abundant sunlight to generate a steady supply of green and clean energy. The Alxa Photovoltaic Mining Treatment Project in Inner Mongolia. Total installed capacity, 200 megawatts. Modules used, CSI 660 watts and 655 watts 210 PERC high-power modules. Building solar power stations on abandoned mining sites serves multiple ecological purposes. It provides shade and cooling to regulate temperatures, stabilizes the soil, and promotes ecological nurturing, gradually restoring the damaged environment. The SO2 present in the tailings can cause corrosion to photovoltaic equipment when exposed to water. To address this issue, Canadian Solar has implemented several measures, thickening the frame coating, optimizing the glass coating structure, and equipping the modules with high-performance and reliable T6 connectors made by Canadian Solar. Canadian Solar's modules have successfully passed the stringent IEC 61701 salt spray test with level 6/8 and IEC 62716 ammonia corrosion test. These certifications ensure the module's long-term reliability and performance in harsh environments. Average annual power generation, approximately 300 million kilowatt-hour, annual coal savings, around 130,000 tons, annual carbon emission reduction, about 370,000 tons, equivalent to planting 20,560,000 trees. As a leader in the solar and storage, Canadian Solar remains committed to innovation, reliability, and developing tailored photovoltaic solutions for diverse environments, helping build a greener, brighter future for all.